I'm done living life with the lights out, dive with my own doubt.
And then
Be free with me. Let's go, let's be free.
So part of the packing up process is giving things away or donating things to people that need them. So today we are giving away our bunk beds to a colleague of Corinne that is coming to fetch it. So at least the flat is starting to slowly empty out.
oh, he likes that.
The bed, yeah. What is that for?
To make beds. Bye. Cheers.
Ja, my laaste steek.
Very emotional moment for Corinne. She's packing away her sewing machines and overlocker. It's taken her about 2-3 weeks of emotional turmoil to come to this stage. So can you do it, honey?
No, I'm gonna like fix the last thing and then I'm gonna put it in there.
No, we're gonna pack it away. We're not
In
gonna put it
there.
there. We're
In
gonna
the
pack it
box.
away. We're gonna pack it away.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it in the box.
No, she must pack it away. She mustn't put it in a box.
I'm gonna pack it in the box. Hello. Example. Look what we got today.
We can do an unboxing movie.
Yeah. Our first box with 50 packs of sanitary panties and pads. Yay!
Still, ik wil zoom in. Okay, cool. 50.
50.
Oh, it's a lot of space that we need.
Yeah, but I think we can do it's kind of kleiner. We can make it a bit smaller.
Yeah,
maybe.
okay, cool. So it's 2 weeks to go. We are emptying the flat at last. It's been stressful. Really stressing of everything to do. As you can see, emptying out. The only things we've got left really is the stuff that we're taking with. 2 more weeks at work. Corinne is busy there packing the reusable sanitary pads.
I'm happy counting. I'm counting all the pads, and it's actually surprising that there's more pads fitting into this box than in the ammo pack with the higher one. So this one packs better. And look how empty the space is.
Yeah, a bit of echo now as we talk because there's no space. Storeroom is getting fuller. We've got a few kitchen things to do. Quite stressful for us because we haven't got a tenant for our flat yet, which will put a strain on our finances. Struggled to get the TV packed, but after I got that done, the rest seemed to flow better. Corinne must still pack all her clothes and her shoes.
I've packed already some of my stuff.
You've what?
I've packed some of my stuff. There's one box in the storage room.
Okay, so we're winning the battle. slowly and steadily. We'll keep you guys updated. So this seems to be it. We are knackered. We have been packing for what seems like years, probably only a month or so. Flat is finally empty. We are coming back to do a bit of paint work. Get the first layer today, but we just don't have the energy to do more. All our possessions is gone. We've left a few things for the tenants. It is a bit of a scramble, but we really want to get it done. Whew. I am too tired to be excited, but I am actually very excited about the journey ahead. Whew. Yes. So we will be hitting the road in 14 days from today. 10 working days left. We need to go and unpack our stuff for the next 10 days at Andres and Lynn. Thanks again guys for your hospitality and opening up your home for us. Will be your backyard dwellers for the next 10 days. Yeah, we will see you on the road.
Please remember to hit that subscribe button, support us on Patreon, and like our videos.